Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God! What is that?
I am so sorry. I am so sorry.
Sorry, down, hombre. No.
What is happening? Hey, Willa? What's in there?
You want food?
Oh my God, flying squirrel, boy. Whoa. Oh, what's that, boy? Oh,
Misty, blink once if you're Hitler. Oh my God.
Buddy, want this Cheeto?
No, not in a million years. You get that thing away from me right now. They're nice.
Looks like we have a twofer today. You guys ready to run? You ready to run? Okay, here we go. Ready? Go!
Dun 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 dun.
Percy, that's so personal. Where your foot is right now.
Hey, I've got a present for you, brother. A present? Oh, mate, thanks so much. My pleasure, buddy. I'm just trying to find it. I left it somewhere here. Oh, yep, here it is. There you go.
Have friends come by.
I need my
There's
undies.
so many people that not everybody really fits in here. So you may have a couple people.
Thank you.
And you have some people in the other room.
Get your paw off the table. Get your paw. Get your paw off the table. Baby.
Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Are you hungry?
Panda, say I love you.
there's a lot of lights, isn't there? What is going on in front of us? What is going on?
Why is your body like this?
Hold it right here. Hold it right there. 2 hands. Okay.
They tore a hole right through the food.
Did you see that? Both his
Come here.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Upside fucking down. Bro, she's broken. Dixie, Lola, get in your own beds. Come on, get in your own beds. Get in your own beds. Lay down. Lay down, that's better.
Ooh, get it, Raymond. What are you doing? Get it. Raymond? Get this back. You know what? I've always hated this thing. Oh, holy shit, god damn it. Yikes.
Are you good or are you bad?
He's like, seriously, don't be clothing. Let me help you off with that.
It's okay.
You good?
It's okay. Yeah, close the door. Close the door.
Shut your stupid ass up.
Bro, I gotta poop.
Yeah. Yo, are you gay, bro? Yo, miss me with that.
May I help you? Like, do we got a problem?
Let's make this his new house.
It's okay.